Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we will get an introduction to important concepts of perimeter and area. There was a playground. Children were playing in that playground. Suddenly few people appeared over there shouting slogans, "Grow trees, save trees." The people slowly started increasing. More and more people joined in from various other places. They decided to plant trees along the boundary of the playground. While doing so, they wanted to first have a rope so that a rope can be fitted and the trees can be saved and aligned properly. But for tying a rope along the border, they wanted to know how many meters of rope will be required for the boundary of the playground. How will the students calculate the length of the rope required for the boundary? Let us help them calculate the length of the rope for the boundary of the playground in the center. The playground has this as the length 1, then length 2, the third length, and one more length 4. The boundary has 4 lengths. Measuring each length will give us the length of the rope. So addition of length 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the total length of rope required. In short, can I say sum of length of all sides of the playground is the total length of the rope required. But this sum of length of all sides, students, is called as perimeter. So the total length of rope required is equal to the perimeter. What is perimeter? It is the sum of length of all sides of a closed figure. So just take a closed figure, measure the length of all sides of its boundary. That will be the perimeter of that figure. Alright then, since we have learned definition of perimeter, let us calculate perimeter of few figures. First one is a rectangle. The various lengths are given. What will be the perimeter? Add up 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 all in centimeters. That is 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 5, 30 centimeter, the perimeter of the given rectangle.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.